recently we received so many questions about how to choose the EC-17 and the EC-27. That is real question is not which one machine is best, but that's important is which one machine will be more suitable for you. Now follow me. And what's your product to emboss? If you are embossed on this like the small items like a wallet, luggage tags, keychains, notebooks, I recommend this machine, small machine, mini machine. For this machine will be suitable for all these the business trip, live shops and live events will be nice, and also small items will be nice for EC-17 machine. If you are embossed on these the large items like this the handbags and the woman bags, I recommend for all these the EC-27 machine. And what's your daily work? If you are daily work in the long time workshop, I recommend for EC-27 machine. And another question is what is the difference EC-27 and the EC-17 machine? You know, EC-17 machine, that is the mini machine, that is small. Our EC-27 machine, that is the large machine. And the next one is all this work table. EC-27 work table, that is the large. And the EC-17 machine work table is the small. Large machine work table size 16 to 20 centimeters. Mini machine size is 15 to 15 centimeters. And the next one is about all this leader. EC-27 machine, they will come with leader here. And all this EC-17 machine, the leader will be customized separately. And also we have a functional for all this partition slide. And partition slide for this the large one machine, that is help us to fix your products partition. And also all this mini machine have a small one, also can help you to fix on your products the partition. And for last one is about all this holder. This one is all this the stand holder. This one is all this the letter holder. But this holder, that is can be shared for all this the two machine. That is so nice. And the last question is about why you need choice the Jinglin choice all this Maxita stamping machine. All this stamping machine temperature control, that is very stable. Temperature control stable, that is your embossed the goods will be flat and finally. That is the most important thing. And another one important thing is about all these letters. All letters engraving, there will be needed finally to engraving, and this is the flat, so embossed, that will be finally and beautiful in your products. And so, you know, only some questions, you can leave some message to us on all these comments, and Jinglin will fully support your work.